Secrets for a man to desperately search for you. The secret for him to look for you has to do with small actions but very effective. There are infallible tricks that always work if you are in a relationship, but he is a little absent-minded to assist you. Put these secrets into practice and he will look for you desperately. Without ceasing to be yourself, without humiliating yourself, and of course not exceeding any limit of your life, try that. If you are going to fight for this person, it's worth it. If you have already analyzed, and you have come to the conclusion that this person is the one you want by your side, these secrets will help you so he looks for you desperately and misses you. What do you do for him to love you, miss you and look for you desperately? Here we tell you what to do. You take the note. 1. Be independent. Show that you are a busy person, doing real things, without pretending. This will alert him that you are serious and that he cannot play games with you since you do not depend on him or anyone else. 2. Do not answer immediately. Hold on to that desire to answer the call as soon as the phone rings. Do not be one of the girls who are always on the phone, waiting for him to call you. Keep your time, breathe and do not answer. Wait until 15 to 20 minutes to answer. This is a way of knowing how possessive that person is. This person has to set aside time to see you because he notices that you love yourself and that you have a life. If he calls you to invite you to the cinema and says, "Get ready, I'll pick you up in 30 minutes to go to the cinema," do not be tempted to tell him yes immediately. It is better to say no, because in this way, you are teaching him to respect your time. 3. Take your time to be with your friends. Do not make the mistake to stop going out to the movies like before, or that you have to take your boyfriend, or worse, to ask permission. No, you just have to tell him that on that day you will be in camaraderie with your friends and that's it. This is also a way to know if your partner is understandable with your plans. In the same way, if he tells you that he will be with his friends, you must trust him and not get angry, because the one who gets angry loses. 4. Be happy with yourself. The way you live and enjoy life is the way in which your partner or your suitor sees you. Your happiness should not depend on the other person. Love yourself. 5. Be careful with social networks. Not because you got angry with your partner, you will start writing negative things by talking badly about your couple. It is better not to do it. Neither a man has to upload photos with other women, or you as a woman, do not upload photos showing more skin than normal. 6. Do not obsess. Stop sending messages every 5 minutes, stop calling every time only for questions like, "What are you doing?" If you keep doing it, you will only have him fed up and that magic and mystery will end up and he will not want to see or hear from you again. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.